today is called Gollai Hagon Suni. Gollai just kind of meaning vegetables and Suni meaning taro leaf. In this case, we're gonna use spinach. Awesome Bluesdale spinach. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with a hot pan.
Great.
So shallots. And then I'm just gonna rasp this garlic.
And you do a lot of that.
I do a lot of rasping.
Yes, you like it, right?
Yeah, love it. Love it. Fresh turmeric. And then I'm gonna start with some summer squash.
Oh, the summer squash.
Yeah. And I like the yellow and green.
And it's in season.
It's in season, yes. Hand me that coconut milk.
Beautiful coconut
This is
milk.
where the...
Let me see. Oh, man.
Yeah. So this is where it's gonna be like that nice, vibrant yellow. Right? Yeah, so we're just gonna bring that all together.
Yes.
And then we're just gonna cook this spinach down here. This spinach is gonna nicely marry and wilt really nicely.
Wilt more than
yeah,
cook,
so
right?
just kind of think cream spinach, if you will.
Yeah.
Think cream spinach, coconut milk, turmeric.
Do you want the zucchini al dente or do you want it?
Al dente.
Okay, so you
You
want
still want a little bite, yeah.
Yeah.
Because that texture, the texture of the creamy spinach, and then you get that nice, kind of al dente squash.
Yeah.
So it looks like we're almost there. You see that? It's kind of like wilty, almost creamy.
That's nice. And then you want to plate that up?
Yeah, we're just gonna plate that up. We're gonna go spinach down first.
Okay.
All right.
That looks so nice.
Yeah. I'm pretty stoked on this.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm gonna have you finish with this. It's caramelized soy sauce.
Oh, all
just
right.
kind of give it like a drip.
Around, on the food, around the food.
On and off. There you go.
Come on.
Perfect.
Good enough?
That's it.
Okay. Wow.
That's it. And I'll put little sesame seeds.
Oh my gosh, that's a big bite.
That is awesome. There you go.
Remember, I'm doing this on camera.
Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta do it with me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here we go. All day long. I'm just saying, all day long. I can eat that all day long. Oh my God.
That's pretty good.
I'm so lucky to eat this.
That's awesome. It's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's it. Delicious.